What does it mean to be the best? To go over and beyond what is expected? We ask ourselves that every day, knowing that people like you depend on people like us to make a difference in the way you do business. So, what does it mean to have the best in your corner? It means that you can be confident that you're working with a company that's been vetted by your peers, that we have dedicated nearly 50 years to providing operational and staffing solutions that positively impact your bottom line. It means creating the best customer experience that puts your business first. A partnership with clear and open lines of communications, and a commitment towards a common goal. At Labor Finders, we're dedicated to putting our customers first, which is why over 300,000 clients served believe we are the best at what we do, placing us in the top 2% of all staffing agencies to win Cleary Rated's Best of Staffing, and among just a handful who have won for 12 consecutive years. It's time to ask yourself, do you have the best?